Good morning class. Today we are going to start exercise 3.3 question number 7, which is from rational number. Here the question wants to find out the value of the following. Evaluate means find the value. Here you can notice we have different denominators. So here we are required to find out the LCM of these denominators. So LCM would be 6 because the smaller value is 3 and in table of 3 we are having 6 also. The big value will be the LCM. So LCM is 6. So each number we will try to make it 6. So we are having the same number in the denominators. There is no need to multiply. If you wish to, you can write multiply by 1 by using equivalent fraction method. Here how to make this denominator 6 by multiplying 2. Because 3 2s are 6, so same number we will multiply here also. We are having 7 1s are 7 minus 2 1s are 2. So you are having 5 upon 6. Now in C part we have subtraction operation, but one of them is positive and other is the negative rational number. First we will handle their sign. It is 11 by 12 plus 6 upon 8. Children, it is your choice. If you wish to, you can reduce this term. Both are the numbers of table of 2. So if you will take the table of 2, you can cut them. It is 2 3s and 2 4s. So our number will be 11 by 12 plus 3 by 4. And what would be the LCM here? Table of 4 and 12 both are available in table of 4. So LCM would be 12. How to check? Like I am writing 4 comma 12 for the LCM. Which common table we can take out? I can take out table of 4, so it will remain 1 after division and it will remain 3. So numbers those are remaining under bracket and outside the bracket we will multiply them and it will be our LCM. So after multiplication we will get 1 3s are 3 and 3 4s are 12. So LCM is 12. I am writing here LCM is 12. So each of the denominators should be converted into 12. So which number to be multiplied here? 12 is the same value, so I will write 1, and here 4 3s are 12. So I will write 4 multiply by 3 and same number I will write here. So it is 11 1s are 11 plus 3 3s are 9. And 11 plus 9 will give you 20 upon 12. Now it is a time to reduce this term because max never stop until unless you got your standard formation in the answer. Highest common factor which can divide both of these. Yes, we can take the table of 4. So table of 4, 4 5s are 20 and 4 3s are 12. So our final answer is 5 upon 3. Now we are on the E part of the same question. Here 3 minus sign are there. So number who is having two signs will operate together. We will not change this sign. 5 upon 3 will remain as it is, minus minus plus 11 upon 9. And here both of the numbers are available in table of 3 and the table of 3 is available also. So the LCM would be 9. So which number to be multiplied with 3 to get 9? Yes, multiply by 3 we will write, and here also by using equivalent fraction method which we have learned yesterday. So 3 5s are 15 and here multiply by 1, it is 11. So we have read about the integers. We will put the sign of the big value. Which one of these two is big? 15 is a big value and it is negative. So our answer will negative sign. Will be having negative sign and number is 4 upon 9. Moving towards the next question, which is question number 8. Simplify the following. Here we have 3 different numbers and we have to find out the LCM of these numbers first of all. If you are going to find out the LCM, its LCM would be 54. Let me show you here. 27, 9 and 18. We are going to take the table of 2, 27 as it is, 9 as it is, now we are taking 9. Table of 3 now we can take because nothing is as an even number. So we are moving towards the table of 3. 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 3s are. Again table of 3, 3 3s are 9, 1 and 1. So what is the LCM now? 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 and it is 54. 2 3s are 6 and 6 9s are 54. Now we have to find out the number which we can multiply with the numerator as well as denominator to get the same denominator. So LCM is 54. So each of the number we will convert into 54. Minus 7 minus 4 plus 14 minus 7. One of the number we are required to multiply. Fine. As you can see, first number having the denominator 27 and here without using the table of 27 we can find out which number to be multiplied. Children, you can notice here 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. These all three are giving me 27. So which number is extra which is missing to get 54? Number 2 is missing. So we will write 2 in the multiplication. Now we are moving towards 9. So which number is giving us 9? These 2 3 are giving us 9. So which number is remaining? 3 2s are 6, or you all know 9 6 are 54. So we will write 6 over there. Similarly, if you will check which of the factors by combining giving you 18. 18 gives you 6 3s are 18. So 2 3s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. So we will take these three numbers and we will get 18. So which one is not in consideration? It's 3. So we will write 3 over there. All the factors are telling you which number we should get for the multiplication. Now each and every number has converted into 54. Now numerator is 14. It is 84 upon 54 minus 21 upon 54. Now we have all same denominators. We can write them once in a denominator. Now it is minus 14 plus 84 minus 21. Now it is up to you which of two numbers you want to solve first of all. I am taking first two numbers because these two numbers will give me 0 at their ones place. So how it will look? It will give you 70 and it will be positive number because 84 is a big value as compared to the 14 and the sign of 84 will be positive, so our 70 will be positive value. Now minus 21 upon 54. If you will solve it, what you will get? You will be having 9 and 6 minus 2 will give you 4. So it is 54 upon 49 upon 54. Now moving towards the C part of the same question, here we have 4 different rational numbers. We have to take out the LCM of these numbers. So here I am solving for you all. It is 8, 3, 13, 12. So it is table of 2, 2 4s are 3, 13 and 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4, 3, 13 and 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2, 3, 13 and 3. Table of 3 will be taken 1, 13, 1 and now last is 13, 1, 1, 1 and 1. So LCM is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 13 and it will give you 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 into 13 you can do 3 4s are 12, 6 and 4 10, 10 plus 1 11, 1, 2 1s are 2 and it is 3. So your answer should be 312. I am using Vedic Max for the calculation. You can use your traditional method for the calculation, children. Now each and every denominator should be converted into the LCM value. What is the LCM? 312. What we are going to do? We will try to convert each of the number into 312. Which number to be multiplied? We will decide right now. Here denominator is 8. So which of the factor is giving you 8? B is 3, 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So which one is not in use? It is 13 into 3. 13 3s are 39. So we will take 39 with the numerator and denominator by using equivalent fraction method. Now we have to check another values. Next is 3. So do we have 3 in these factors? Yes, we have the 3 over there. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 13 is not in the denominator. So these 3 numbers will multiply, 4 numbers will multiply and give you 312. So 8 into 13 will give you 13 8s are 104. Now with 13. Do we have 13 in the factors? Yes, we have 13 in the factors. So rest of the numbers will multiply and these will be the required number for equivalent fraction method. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. We will write 24. Now for the last value 12. Which of the following giving us 12? So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So which one not in use? 2 and 13. 13 2s are 26. So we are going to write 26. Now we have all the denominators same. This value is not required right now, I am erasing it. Now we have to find out the multiplication of the numerators, like 7 into 39. 7 9s are 63, 6, 7 3s are 21, it is 273. So I am writing 273 upon 312, which is my LCM. Now plus 4 4s are 16, 1 here and 4 1s are 4, it is 312. Now 8 3s are 8 4s are 32, 3, 8 2s are 16, 192, but it is with the minus sign. So I will write minus and it is 312. Now plus 26 upon 312. Now we have all the denominators equal, so we will write 312 once in the denominator. Now 273 plus 416 minus 192 plus 26. I am going to add first of all first two numbers out of 4 them. So it is 9, 8 and 6. Now minus 192 and 26 are here also. Now what I am going to do, I will subtract these two numbers if it is your choice, or you can add positive and positive number together, or if you wish to you can solve these two numbers. So for your convenience I am taking first two numbers, I will do subtraction here. 9 minus 2 will give you 7 and 8 minus 9 is not possible, I will take borrow from here, it is 18 minus 9 will give you 9 and 5 minus 1 is 4. Now plus 26 upon 312. The final answer would be 6 and 7 13, carry 1, 10 and 2 12, carry 1, 4 and 1 5. So your answer is 523 by 312.